Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of Web3 and blockchain technology. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of Ethereum. We'll explain what Ethereum is, how it works, its use cases, and how it can benefit you. So, let's get started. To understand Ethereum, we first need to know about blockchain technology. In a nutshell, a blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. It's transparent, secure, and tamper-proof. Ethereum takes the concept of blockchain and adds a layer of programmability. It's like a global computer running on thousands of computers around the world. Ethereum's main goal is to enable developers to build decentralized applications, or dApps, that can execute without any downtime, censorship, or interference from third parties. So, how does Ethereum work? Well, at its core, Ethereum consists of two main components: the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, and Ether, ETH. The EVM is a runtime environment where smart contracts are executed, and Ether is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with predefined rules written into the code. They automatically execute transactions and actions when specific conditions are met. Think of them as digital agreements that eliminate the need for intermediaries like lawyers or banks. Let's imagine you want to rent an apartment. With a traditional contract, you would need a middleman, like a real estate agent or lawyer, to handle the process. But with Ethereum, you can create a smart contract that automatically transfers the rent to the landlord on the agreed-upon date. If the rent is not paid, the smart contract can lock the tenant out of the apartment until the payment is made. Now, let's explore some use cases of Ethereum. Besides smart contracts, Ethereum has become a platform for various applications, including decentralized finance, DeFi, gaming, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and more. In DeFi, Ethereum allows people to access financial services without the need for intermediaries. For example, you can lend or borrow money directly from other individuals using smart contracts, cutting out traditional banks. Ethereum is also the foundation for many popular NFT projects. NFTs are unique digital assets that can represent ownership of digital art, collectibles, music, and even virtual real estate. Another exciting use case is decentralized applications and games. These are applications that run on the Ethereum blockchain, ensuring transparency, security, and user ownership. Imagine playing a game where the items you earn are truly yours, and you can trade or sell them freely. Finally, let's talk about how Ethereum can benefit you. By utilizing Ethereum, you can enjoy greater control over your financial transactions, reduced reliance on intermediaries, and increased privacy and security. Ethereum's decentralized nature means that no single entity has control over the network, making it resistant to censorship and ensuring your data remains secure. That wraps up our introduction to Ethereum. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what Ethereum is, how it works, and its many exciting use cases. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency and blockchain content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.